Hi guys, so this is a continuation of the previous video I did on how you can make money on Amazon selling gratitude journals just using your mobile phone. So I've made it part one, I've made it part two. So if you have not watched the part one or the part two, please do go and watch it because you will not understand what I'm doing in this video if you have not watched the previous video. So let's head into the video straight away.
And okay, this looks okay. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, let's see what we can do with this. Okay, let me increase this a little. Okay, and put a line, white line here, and just extend the line. Then duplicate the line. Okay, so I see something I like now. The next thing is just to write the title and the subtitle. So the title will just come to our text here. Pick a very nice font that would actually go with it. So let me come here. Let me change the font to this. Yeah. So write journal for women. So let me see. Let me just journal for women. Change the color to white. Then add gratitude. I think I like the capital letters. And let me just put the date so that everything will just blend. So I can just write 2022 slash 2023. Then reduce the font size. So we have gotten our font cover. You can actually put author's name at the bottom, but I'll just leave it this way. And the next thing we want to now do is our back cover. So for the back cover, I can just pick this image and duplicate it and just cover the back with it. Yeah. So I can do this for the back cover and just leave it the way it is. So this is our front cover and this is our back cover. Next thing is just to download it and upload it on Amazon. So download it to your phone, click download, change from PNG to PDF print, click download, and our cover is ready. So the next thing for us to do now is to upload the interior and upload the cover on. So when you come to your Amazon account, the next thing you now want to do is you want to click on paperback here. I click on paperback. You fill in the details here in the book, in the paperback details. So if you have done your research, keyword research and niche research, you already know what to use as your title, your subtitle, right? So this one, what I did was gratitude journal for women. Then the subtitle was 2020 2022 slash 20 to 2023. So the other things you would do, but there are videos I've made. Even there's a video I made about how to structure your titles so that it can actually sell very well. So you can actually go to the video. I'll leave a link to it and watch it so that you know exactly what to do on your titles and your subtitles. Then for your author name, you can just write your author name. I'll just write my name, Austin Sunday. Then description. Description, I always say that it's not a summary of your book. Description is an ad, something you write in order to sell your book. So I just wrote a short description here. As you can see, would you agree that it's very important to start your day with the right attitude? And the most important attitude you can start your day with is an attitude of gratitude. So I just wrote a short description here. You can actually write your own description too. And after you are done with that, the next thing you want to click, I own my own copyright. Then your keywords. When you go through the video I made on how to get profitable keywords. You know what to put in your keywords. Then you choose your category, right? So I'm going to come to non-fiction. I'm going to pick self-help and I'll click emotions. Then I'll choose general here for personal growth. So that's what I'm going to use for my categories. The next thing here is, does this book contain languages, situations, or images inappropriate for children under 18 years of age? You click no. Then the next thing is for you to click save and continue. Then we come to the next page here, which is your paperback content. Click here, assign me a free ISBN. Then you already got it here. Don't mind what is written here. Just here it's your ISBN. Then the date, just leave it. It will automatically fix itself. Then here we're working with a black and white interior with white paper. So just leave it the way it is. Remember we worked with a 6 x 9 inches, so you can just leave it that way. No bleed. Then for the cover, I would prefer you just put the glossy. Then upload your manuscript. So we come here. So we click, I pick the manuscript, allow it to upload. The next thing I want to do is cover. You click upload a cover you already have, then click upload your cover here, then pick it from your files, then allow it to upload. After that, the next thing is your launch previewer. Just click on your launch previewer, then continue. Allow it for a while, then approve. So the next thing you want to click is save and continue. And all you need to do is now fix the price. So for this, I might just fix 9.99. I'm not going to publish this book, so I'm just using this as an example. For the price, it depends on the average price of that particular niche that you are in. So for this, you can just go to Amazon, look for the price, the average price of the gratitude journals that are there, then pick the average of the highest prices there. So just look for the books that actually price the highest and pick an average there and have them here. So all you need to do next is to just click publish your paperback, and paperback book will be live on Amazon.
So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.